Bro, seatbelt. Safety first.
Best in this weather is cold tea.
Oh.
But kadak is kadak.
Kadak is kadak. We need a kadak. These are the markets here in Sharafia. I will come over here on this side, man. Rashid, hi. How's everything? Osama, thanks, man.
Welcome.
Here we are. The traffic in Riyadh makes you think a lot. It's a Saturday evening here in Riyadh. Almost evening. Our beloved Riyadh, Saudi Arabia at that time. I hope this is a good car wash. So that's the car wash, and seems like there's rush over here. Let's figure it out. أيوة أغسل من داخل وبرا. أوكي تمام. ركز على تفاصيل من داخل. Okay. Yeah. Well, I need to make sure that the car is clean from inside because Granada DX, wonderful looking car. Oh, a Mini Cooper. What's this? So let us record a video, a TikTok video in the meanwhile. So guys, I was getting my car washed at this car wash. Kam sana hai na? Okay, very good. Check this out. We have a Rox one over here. What a beautiful car actually. This is really good. I think it's straight out of the showroom, mashallah. Very good. What a beautiful car actually. Rox one. So now we are actually gonna pay the gearbox. I actually want to give both these guys something. Yeah. Shukran. Nigeria #1. Yeah, #1. Yeah. Okay. Also, this is the fragrance that I use in my car. What's up everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It's another day and right now it's afternoon. We are going for some lunch and also to get some tea at Amagha. So this place is Sharafia here in Riyadh. Do you know about this place? Check out this free space. Rashid, your seatbelt, man. Bro, seatbelt. Safety first. We also have Osama. He's also been in in a few videos. Rashid as well. So Rashid was in my Batha videos where we went to Batha, and I'm still yet to post videos. One video from the main roads of Batha where they have the markets, the souk. Okay, Rashid, what do you think about this place? Yeah. Rashid is sleepy, but obviously we have a very long day starting from early in the morning. That's why we need tea, right Rashid?
Yes.
Yeah. You prefer tea, coffee, or anything else? Okay. What about you, Sama?
Best in this weather is cold tea.
Oh.
But kadak is kadak.
Kadak is kadak. We need a kadak. Sama, where did we go last time? From where? Okay, from the traffic light, right? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Look at all these tankers, Rashid. Why are they standing here? No, we have to go to the shawarma place first. These are the markets here in Sharafia. That's a G2 or T2. Sama, you like the car? Yeah, it's the sports version.
Nice look. Really.
Yeah, the adventure version.
Adventure.
Yeah.
Maybe your second.
Oh, our next car is going to be either Osama. What should we buy? Lucid Air. Yeah. What about you?
This is good.
Yeah.
सब इसमें हर एक चीज़ के साथ एक चीज़ फ्री लगी हुई है ये जो
किधर?
ये buy one get one free.
Okay, buy one get one free. Yeah. Nice. Rashid will come here in the evening.
Maybe.
What do you think? Okay. So the shawarma shop is over there. We are
Yes,
gonna go there. Yeah. Let's see how's our video recording. So till now, Mumtaz. I really love this camera, Osama.
Really nice camera.
Huh.
Not
But you are the nicest.
very expensive.
But you are the nicest, Osama. Yeah.
No, Mr. Rashid.
Rashid. Someone let us go. Yeah. It's our turn now.
First time.
Yeah. In one go. Where's the shawarma shop? Here. Wow. There's a parking for special people who will not park there.
Also, Mr. Rashid special person.
Rashid is very special. Rashid साहब जाओ ज़रा फिर ले आओ. So here we are inside the Magha. Check out the scenes and the vibes of this place. We are gonna sit here. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna lean back. Osama, hi. Yeah. Rashid, hi. I need to record something, so I think I will come on the other side, Osama. I will come over here on this side, man. Rashid, hi. How's everything? Okay, Osama has to do a voice message. I'm keeping him from doing this. Okay, Osama, thanks, man.
Welcome.
What's up, lovelies? So it's after work, around 5:15 p.m. I'm leaving from work. Oh goodness, the sun is gonna blind me. I'm gonna wear my sunshades. Okay, and how do I make you people wear the sunshades? Okay, like this. I was just trying to care for you people, but anyways, we'll change our direction. So here we go. Right now, actually, I was going to a place, a car wash, and I think it had some good rating, but there were only like 30 reviews. On the other hand, I saw this one where they have like 6,000 reviews and a 4.8 star, but anyways, it's a bit far. So I thought, why not give the closer one a try. So right now it's gonna take me how much time? Why don't I go from here? 8 kilometers. Okay, let's see which one makes sense. I think we should go from here. My gut feeling is that this will take less time, the King South Road one, but let's see how it goes. But here it's saying it's 4 minutes faster. Okay, let's go from Makkah Mukarramah Road. What do we have over here? So here we are sitting in the traffic. I need to re-evaluate because here there's a lot of traffic, you see. And if I go from here, it's 3 minutes slower, but I don't know why the wait, why it's 3 minutes slower. Almost the same. So okay, let's go from Makkah Mukarramah Road. I didn't know I would be facing this indecision, but well, here we are. The traffic in Riyadh makes you think a lot sometimes, but we are off to the car wash in Makkah Mukarramah via the Makkah Mukarramah Road. It's a Saturday evening here in Riyadh. Almost evening. So a green light. We have a green light. This will also possibly be a review for this car wash. I am forgetting the name of the car wash, and well, I would have to see it from the mobile. But anyways, just tag along. We are gonna see it eventually. On very busy days, it's like almost impossible to go through here because you see the traffic vehicle. They close off this place, and they close off this ramp. And another thing is that once it's closed, there are endless queues behind, so it takes a lot of time. Okay, so right now seems like we have less area that is red on the map, so do take a lot of care when bikes are driving around you. A beautiful white colored Range Rover in front of us, and the Saudi flags. Nice, beautiful. So now this is the place where we have some traffic, but well, at least it's moving. So today I recorded one video which I did during break. So I actually imported the video from this one Insta360 Action Pod direct to the mobile instead of taking it to the laptop, and from mobile I posted it onto YouTube alatul, so straight away. Yeah, so that was also quite convenient, and also I've been able to post a lot of content just because I was doing it straight out of the iPhone and not the laptop. The longer videos, they can be edited from the laptop. That's actually more convenient over there because you have control and all this, and it's actually you have more power over editing. But well, even in the mobile I'm using CapCut paid version, so it's actually convenient in the mobile as well. By the way, I invest a lot of money into this sort of stuff, these softwares, things that could improve my productivity, and I have tons of subscriptions going on, but well, it's all for my own benefit, for my own productivity, and I definitely have reaped the benefits of all this one. Pretty soon, inshallah, we are gonna be done with posting 200 videos on this channel, Street View by Talha. Inshallah. And I have covered quite some area in Riyadh. There's a lot more to see, and I would actually really appreciate if you people can suggest me some places to explore and also to show other people as well, because we are actually documenting the memories here. And check this out, wonderful landscaping over here. So 10-15 years down the road, things will be completely different here, but at least we can come back to this and see our beloved Riyadh, Saudi Arabia at that time. Today is a Saturday, so that's why there's less traffic here in Saudi Arabia. Saturday is an off day for some people, just like people have on Saturdays and Sunday. So here it's Friday and Saturday in case. So there's a mall up ahead over here as well. I think it's the Sinomi Mall or something. So I'll see you lovelies over there at the car wash. Oh, we cannot turn from here, so we'll have to go from the next turn. I hope this is a good car wash. Why the delay? Let's go, everyone. Oh, there's some road over there. I think if it goes on to the road behind, we can actually go from here, but I'm not sure if it goes on to this road or if there's a slope. How can I decide? How, people, how? Again, seems like there's no place to go down, so it's just a parking area. Yes, so here we are. I'll meet you over there, everyone. Am I gonna end the video or not? So that's the car wash, and seems like there's a rush over here. We'll let this car actually go out and then we shall park over here. Let's wait for someone to come. So you see everyone, right now they asked me to come through in this place that they have. Okay, let me give them instructions. Okay, let's go out. Let's figure it out. ايوه اغسل من داخل وبرا. اوكي مام ركز على تفاصيل من داخل. اوكي well, I'm the sort of person who will have like quite some agitation if others are handling the car, but well, I need to make sure that the car is clean from inside because it will help them clean better as well. So I want them to focus on all this stuff. Let's take out our materials. Let's put everything inside here. There's my gym bag, there's two of my work bags. I can put this one here. Okay, remaining stuff goes over here. Yeah, there's some more stuff. By the way, they are cleaning this car as well in a very wonderful manner. This doesn't bother anyways. Yeah, see, they have some stuff. They are doing it with the hawa. Pretty good actually. Yeah. So I also need to make sure that the dashboard is also clean, because I will ask them to actually clean it thoroughly. So all of this will go in the trunk. You see, all of this goes here. By the way, they have a sitting area over there, I believe. Let's sit here and take out our stuff. Okay, I can put it here. The casing for this, I need it. Some more goggles, stuff. All of this can go inside the compartment. This one, okay. This one also goes here. Some more stuff, some goodies. Okay, what's this? Some other glasses. They will also go inside here. Yeah, Mumtaz. By the way, this is what you put on some wall. It's from Medina. I'll put it somewhere. What's this? I will take this one. So yeah, things seem to be in order. Now they can clean well. Check this out. Wonderful scenes. Let's put this over here. Now they are also cleaning the other one from interior. got the handles done, at least the back side one. I will ask him to do the other ones as well. We can ask him to do this one. Zariya bas? Okay, tamam. Done yet again. Let's take some how do we do from here? So let us check out this other car that they have over here, Granada DX. Wonderful looking car. See, beautiful. Look at these huge wheels and a sturdy design. Looks quite wonderful actually. You see? Wow, this is awesome. شوف من هنا تعال سيت. ايوه ها they are doing their best to actually clean the car. You see another one guy cleaning from there, another one from here, doing their level best. This guy is doing the vacuum, this guy is cleaning the wheel. That seems like a strong vacuum actually. Now a second wash has started. I see ASMR videos, but this is destructive ASMR. I will title it. In the meanwhile, check out the evening scenes here in Riyadh. See, I told this guy to clean the handles, and well, he did actually. He's cleaning all. Now we have to take it. Let's ask the guy where we have to take it. Yes, bro, when? Okay. So we'll take it over there. Let us go back. I think this is the first time in the video that you might be hearing some peaceful voice of mine. Peaceful in the sense that it's been very loud outside. So here, yeah, let's go outside. We'll keep the keys inside just in case we don't have to open it again and again. But even outside is, I think, better. No worries for that. I'll take it. Oh, a Mini Cooper? What's this? What's this car? Wow, wonderful. Yeah, it's a Cooper. I love my Mini. That's the tag on that. Wonderful. See, they are focusing on the details. Now the car looks clean, squeaky clean. Yeah. See, I will come in from the other side to show you. See, they are even cleaning the seats. Usually they don't do it at the car washes, but this is actually very good. Check this out. The car really needed it. Thank you, Habibi. Thank you. Also see it here, okay? They are doing their best actually. Yeah, they also need to do from here. Mumtaz. See, now our brother is cleaning the doors from the inside. Mumtaz. Yeah. I really like the service due to the fact that they are paying a lot of attention to the car and they are not leaving any, they are not cutting corners actually. I think I could make a video on them, but I will wait for the end so to see if they are up to the mark. These are jolly guys. And the evening scenes here in Riyadh, wow. So let us record a video, a TikTok video in the meanwhile. So guys, I was getting my car washed at this car wash, that's the name. And well, these guys, they are paying a lot of attention to details. They are not cutting any corners. You see, I didn't ask for that much. Actually, this is actually just the basic stuff, but they have been doing a fabulous job. Like, I asked them to clean these ones, you see these handles from inside, and they did it twice for all the doors, and they are actually doing a pretty good job. And two of these guys are working on this car, doing a very fabulous job in detailing. And they even actually cleaned the interiors of the seats and these pockets, everything. Yeah, so the service is actually quite good. So there's another guy, I thought a third one just came to tag along with them. But anyways, this is the car wash. It doesn't have that many reviews on the Google Maps, but anyways, the reviews are good. And also check out the wonderful scenes here in Riyadh. Check out the sunset. It's a golden one actually today. And also check out this Mini Cooper. Wow guys, this is fabulous. Wonderful. Yeah bro, where are you from?
From Nigeria.
Nigeria. Nigeria is number one. How long here in Saudi? How long have you been in Saudi? Kam sana hai na?
About the same number.
Ah, okay, very good. See, they have been doing a fabulous job. I really liked their work. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post the TikTok. Let's change the account. Okay, let me bring it here. Okay. So, by the way, check this out. Who's this? Who's this, guys? Who's this? That is me. So we'll leave space for some other car. And okay, let's go to our video and we are gonna post it. Let me put on actually captions for this. So the captions are processing. Okay, yeah, good. So let us just post this. A cousin is calling me, but I will attend his call in a bit. A casual car wash in Riyadh. Okay, let's post this. So the mats got some fresh covers, and see, still the detailing is going on. Yeah, the seats are also clean. Yeah, perfect. Check this out. We have a Rox one over here. What a beautiful car actually. This is really good. I think it's straight out of the showroom. Mashallah, very good. What a beautiful car actually. Rox 1. It's coming here to get detailed. Hi, how are you? Huh? Vlog okay. YouTube, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Wonderful. A lot of people actually come here and everyone has an attachment to their cars. Like you see this guy, whoever owns this definitely brought it here just to get it looked after so that it gets the detailing, initial detailing. Then the guy over there, he owns this Grenadier, Ineos Grenadier, and he is actually quite excited about this. Check out the videos he is taking. And same for me, I'm also excited about my car. Yeah, khalas. How much? 35, okay. So they are gonna bring the cash. So now we are actually gonna pay the gearbox. So 35 for all this. Mumtaz, thank you. So I actually want to give both these guys something. Yeah, for you, both of you. Okay, thank you. Shukran. Nigeria number 1. Yeah, number 1. Yeah. Okay, so we are done here and now it's time to go. Let's actually have the first look. Yeah, Mumtaz. Also, this is the fragrance that I use in my car. Wonderful. Oh wow. See, they even put this little thing on the gear. Wow. Naj car wash and repair shop. Wonderful. Mumtaz. The fragrance of this one is actually also good. Oh wow, this is actually fun. What else have they done that is different from others? Okay, this is pretty normal. Okay, what else do we have over here? See this, they even put some plastic cover over this. And let's start the car. Now things are actually very good. Yeah, Mumtaz, very good. I might take this off later because I don't usually like plastic. So anyways, it's time to move from here. This was a wonderful experience, I must say. The car is squeaky clean. The seats are done well. They put some new plastic covers on the mats, although I don't prefer that, but anyways we'll let it stay like that. and that is me. So did you people like the video? Yeah, I hope you did. We'll inshallah meet again. Thank you so much everyone, love you all. So what's up everyone, I was at this car wash and well, we are getting out of this very tight spot, and let's see how much margin do we have. Okay, little bit. Now we are gonna get out of here inshallah and check out how good the car actually looks right now. We need to straighten it up a little bit, and now wow, so close. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so it's time to leave this car wash. Hi Shanjan. Oh, not in reverse, it wouldn't work in reverse actually. Very good. So here we go, that car. Okay, it's far. Hi Shanjan.
How can I help you?
Please reduce the temperature of AC.
Adjust it to 17.5.
Oh no, that is too low. Hi Shanjan.
How can I help you?
Please adjust the AC temperature to 21. Why Shanjan? Why are you not responding? Hi Shanjan. Please help me. Please help me. Hi Shanjan.
How can I help you?
Please
Sure.
okay. Please increase please increase the temperature of the AC.
Increase to 20.5.
Please increase further. Please increase more. Hi Shanjan.
How can I help you?
Please increase the AC temperature.
Increase to 23.5.
Good, okay. Please.
Sorry, this vehicle model does not support this function.
Please reduce the fan speed.
Adjusted to 5.
Okay, good. Yeah, now it's calm. Wow. This was funny actually. So now we are commuting back to Muhammadiyah from, the place was on Makkah Road, and I think it's called Suleimania or what. I would actually like to just stay out, have dinner or something, but the thing is that I also need to actually have a shower, and then I might go out to eat or something. Let's see how it goes. But the car wash did a very fabulous job. I am actually quite excited about this. I might inshallah come again here in future, and the video that I took, I'll post it on their Google Map reviews. There's a hotel here. I could have just sit here in the lobby and sat here in the lobby and just worked from here, but anyways, right now I much rather go home, have a shower. We have 4 Points by Sheraton over here. I actually, if I want to work, I usually go to hotels, and previously I used to go to the coffee shops, but actually they are quite rushy and there's a lot happening in the coffee shops. But anyways, this is the alternate. Okay, so there is some weight on this traffic light. The sun has already set. Over there in the distance there's some construction going on. I think it's possibly King Salman Park. Yeah, and we are gonna use the King Abdul Aziz Road. Let's see how much we can record. How much battery do we have? Seems like we could record 5-10 minutes. So these are the evening scenes here in Riyadh on a Saturday evening. That's the bus lane. Usually there is quite some dust on this part of the King Abdulaziz Road because they have open area over here and there's huge piles of sand and soil. I would actually try to put this video on YouTube straight away actually. The drive here would have been actually quite captivating if the sun was still setting, but it's almost after Maghrib, so you know sun has already set. By the way, the car wash was quite economical. They did a lot of work and only took 35. Kudos to them. They were good people. The speed limit of this road is 90, I believe. What a cozy evening drive here in Riyadh. Thanks to all of you who support the channel. This is so much fun and I like to record videos when I go out in Riyadh, and it's been actually quite fascinating to be able to see how much I can record, how much I can do, even apart from having a full-time job. I honestly love making the videos, and check this out, the wonderful scenes of the King Abdulaziz Road. Pretty smooth traffic here in Riyadh on a Saturday evening. You wouldn't face this sort of calmness in any normal day, but guess what, it's Saturday after all. So you see, I wanted to come into this lane. I was using the indicator, so the guy behind me, he actually took foot off his gas to slow down, and that's how everyone should drive here, because usually in Riyadh sometimes people just want to overtake. So like, let's say this car is coming through, and in case I don't wait for him and I want to go from here before him. So the thing is, if someone is in front of you and they are indicating, so it means that you have to give them the way. they might be in a very tight spot. They might be maneuvering to this lane to protect their car from some accident that might be up ahead. So you need to consider not to overtake from the right or from this right part of the road. The traffic light is open. Okay, what's this? Shoe Arena, they have 60% off. Okay, we'll see about that. I'm planning on going to some malls later, but we'll see. Not today, some other day. On this road, at this specific point, you have to be very careful. If it turns orange, just stop. Just stop. Most of the traffic lights here in Riyadh, they have radars to catch the violations. So better late than facing a fine. Now we are facing a little bit of traffic. A little bit or more. The traffic on that road seems to be actually not that much. King Abdullah Road.